Right. So we at the Fraunhofer HHI at the IFA 2008. And what do you have here to show?
Okay, you got the iPoint presenter here. It's a contact free interaction, multiple interaction. You take one finger, point towards this projection here, and then you go further and you take a picture and can move it up there. You can also browse through other pictures and then take another picture. Once you got a feel where this point is, where you come from that pointing into the grabbing mode, you can take a second finger as well, grab this picture, enlarge it, make it smaller, rotate it, give it a frame.
So you're just moving your finger up in the air.
Exactly, yeah. It's contact less.
Yeah. So, but you have this detector here, right?
Exactly. We use infrared cameras. We send out infrared lights, and these cameras record your fingers, and then these pictures are sent to a chance tracking algorithm, and which extracts the 3D coordinates of multiple fingers. You can detect up to 8 fingers already. We only use 2 fingers for this application.
All right.
And we are totally independent from the output device. Right now we have a projector inside which projects the picture to the wall, but you could also use like large displays, LCD displays or 3D displays. And it's perfect for scenarios like sterile surroundings, for example. Think of surgery. The doctor is doing a complicated operation, but he wants to see the X-ray of the patient, the EEG. He just points somewhere and could see it immediately. Or point of sales, point of interest systems, or everywhere, anywhere where like a direct interaction with the user and the system is either not possible or not wanted. Or like games, for example, are possible as well. Or presentations, for example, just next slide, previous slide, then you enlarge something.
Do you have to calibrate this box when you install it in front of the screen, or how does it work?
Yeah, you have to calibrate it once. Then it's totally working by itself.
Calibrated once, then no matter whose hands, it's just, I mean, there's no like...
No, totally. It's not calibrated to the hands, it's calibrated to the light situation.
Okay.
And once it's calibrated, anybody could use it. Like, you could try to use your hands.
Does it depend, couldn't it depend which height the person has?
It possibly could. Like, if, like a small person points to one point on the wall, and a tall person points to another, to the same point.
So they don't put their finger in front of the eyes.
Exactly. But we could use it with head tracking. We could like integrate some head tracking and treat these two users in a different way.
Right.
Then you have to use an LCD display.
Oh, okay.
So it's pretty scalable, and then it's not limited to a certain detection area. You could integrate more cameras and have a way larger detection area.
Oh. And it could it be like you're sitting in the couch, or you have to stand up or something?
Well, it should be installed like in a certain spot somewhere. But if that's a spot, like if it's always in front of the couch, then you could place it there as well. That's not a problem.
Right. Okay. So when is it available? In Aldi?
It's already at a very high development
Is it
stage
used
right now.
somewhere?
It's used, for example, in our institute. If you can enter it, we have 4 huge LCD displays, and we introduce ourselves as a research institute there. And we also got corporations right now. Right. But when you can get it like in the consumer market, I cannot predict that.
Yeah, cool.
But we hope pretty soon.
Okay, thanks. Thank you.